We'll do one more example using our color scheme. This one's a little more tricky. So we have A, B, C. We have a not symbol above the B, also above the A, and gate here, OR gate here, and bracket here. So 3 inputs again, A, B, C. Incidentally, to say this, this starts getting becomes a little bit of a tongue twister. This is not A and not B or C. So A along with B each have a NOT gate on them, or an inverter. Remember, that's the other name for a NOT gate, because it inverts the signal from 1 to 0 or from 0 back to 1. So in orange here, these two gates are these two lines. These are combined with an AND gate. And all of this bracket goes along with C into an OR gate. So there we go. Next example, we're going to leave behind the different colors now. So here we've got two brackets, and we'll see that B occurs twice here. So it's A and B, or B and C. Now, there are still only 3 different inputs, A, B, C. So again, we just put, for our circuit, A, B, C. A, B, A along with B into an AND gate. So we can draw an AND gate here. A along with B. B along with C into an AND gate. Remember, we're doing the brackets first. So we can draw an AND gate here. B along with C, well, I'll bring C in first. And then to bring in B, we can just join to that line because that's still B. So there we have the 2 parts that are within the bracket, but we haven't got this yet, OR, between them. So we just draw our OR gate here. And there we go. So A and B, here's A, B into an AND gate. So at this point we have completed this, A and B. At this point we've completed B and C. And at this point we have this or this, because they both go into an OR gate. So this is the whole result. Let's go through one more. It's a good idea to practice how you would say this: A and B, or not B and not C. So remember, the little bar above means not. To draw the circuit, again, we've only 3 variables, A, B, C. Because we've got these inverters here, it's a good idea to put those on first. So B is going to go through an inverter, to do this, and C is going to go through an inverter or a NOT gate to do that. So we may as well finish this little bracket on its own here, since both of those go into an AND gate. So here we have completed the right hand bracket. Let's look at the other bracket then, A and B. So we're going to have an AND gate, let's put it here. And into that goes A and B. Now, we need to be careful here because it's B that goes in. It isn't not B. Not B would be here. So if it was not B, we would take our line from here, but it's just B. So we need to take our line from here. So just be careful with that. The blob here shows that we've joined the lines. So just before finishing this, let's look. The first bracket, A and B, AND gate, fed in from A, fed in from B. This bracket, not B and not C, AND gate, fed in from not B and fed in from not C. And that just leaves us with the OR gate between them to finish off. This is the circuit, this is the Boolean expression.